Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and today I'm taking you on an amazing craft room tour. This is my friend Nonie's craft room. This one isn't mine, and she recently made some changes and set it up for two people. So she has a desk over here and a desk over here. So I'm going to take you, this is just the general look at first, and then I'm going to take you on a little more close-up tour. We're not going to go through every drawer. If you want to see more of this room later, let me know. Okay, so over here, she keeps her paper, and in the baskets right there on top, she keeps stamps and dies. She's put them all in jackets and on magnets and set them up very nicely. It's nice so I can come over and shop and find things. And then down below, it's all paper. 12 by 12 paper over there in the corner, other papers. The ones right there are those value packs from Michaels and Joann that I love to layer with. Cutters, punches, other papers over there, more cutters. Those are the cutters that she uses the most because she can actually reach them. And then her stamp platforms are right there. And down there she's got some more cutters. She's a garage sailor and she buys in lots. So she ends up with multiples of things sometimes, but you know, she doesn't pay a lot for them, so it works out pretty good. Then up here on the wall, she has ink and more ink, and also she has alcohol inks. So I'm going to bring you in, hopefully not make you too dizzy. All Distress Oxides here, and Stampin' Up! Inks here, more Stampin' Up! Inks, Stickles, Nuvo drops, Tattered Angels sprays, some Heidi Swap sprays, alcohol inks and alcohol pearls. This is a good friend to have for sure. She has gotten hooked, and the funny thing is I got her hooked on this. So if you tell me that you don't have friends that do paper crafting, well, you need to work on it. You need to bring them in. Then this is the desk right here with her glass mat that she typically works at. So she keeps everything really accessible here. She has her brushes and markers. She, interestingly enough, has water-based markers right here, but I think for the most part, she really likes to use her alcohol markers, and her Copics are in her cart. So she has her cart right by her desk. And then down below is typically holiday stash. And she has her cute little sidekick right there on her desk. And in here is all sorts of different texture things and nice embellishments. The paste, the mousses, the copper stuff, glazes. There's a bunch of Bow Bunny pastes in there. And then here, this is washi and bling, this whole cabinet here. And you got to see the cart. Then she has another cart over here of embossing powders and glitters and paper. A lot of that stuff came from different places, and I don't think that's necessarily the stuff she uses the most. This desk, oh, you have to see this. You never saw how this turned out. Well, maybe you did. I think I might have posted this on Instagram. So this is a giant sheet of magnet that she ordered on Amazon, surprisingly cheap. If memory serves me, it's about $20. If you want to know about it, we can give you the link. And then a frame that she picked up used, and she hung it on the wall, and she has a beautiful light blue paint on the wall and then put dies on it. So if it was dies that didn't come with the stamp set, she put them on the wall. Otherwise, they're still with the stamp set. So imagine if you lived next door to this. It's great. It's absolutely great. Okay, then in this new desk, she has her Big Shot, Sizzix Big Shot, and Silhouette Cameo. And then in the drawers, she's put her Gina K's and her little Distress inks. Pretty much all of her mini inks ended up in that drawer. And I did miss one section over here. This is large ink pads too. She's got scrapbook.com, and they're all sorted by color all the way down. So fun. She's got a little hook right there for her embossing gun. Just tricks of the trade. And then over here in this cabinet, which she also got at a garage sale. She's a good value shopper. This is where she keeps her scan and cut and vinyls and all sorts of supplies for it. And that bottom cabinet is usually overflow storage things, all kinds of stuff. I rummage in there sometime. Okay, so that is the quick tour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.